Raj and Sean, it's quiz time. We're gonna take this thick cup bacon here. We're gonna make some tacos with it. Let's get going. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna take this thick cup bacon, and you need just 3 pieces for each taco. We're gonna do some arts and crafts here. Put this guy aside. Fold these in half. Get a knife. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut that, and then we're gonna lay it down. And you're gonna put all 3 in a row here. Get this over here. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna weave it. So see, we're gonna lift the top up here and put this. And then we're gonna lift this side up, put this in here, put this in there. Now you have to start off with a cold pan. What we're gonna try to do, and I've done it before successfully, is take a cold pan, you make your little tacos here, these lined up. And then once it heats up, it's going to heat up and keep them all combined ideally. Also, I got some cheese for when we flip it. Then that way, once I flip it, it's going to use the cheese as glue to hold everything together. Move that up there. That one here. We'll do the same kind of deal. Now, once we got this set, put it over here. We're just going to start it. You want to start this on like medium to medium low. You don't want it to be too high because you want all the kind of fats to kind of start sticking together. Also, you probably noticed my buddy Bubba here, my target, because that hopefully will bring me some luck in a few weeks when deer season rolls around. But right now, I'll let this start cooking. Just, we want to do it low and slow, and I'll bring it back once it starts cooking, and we'll flip it. All right. And it's been about 10 minutes. One thing I did is I got this little pan here, and it's a glass pan. I put aluminum foil on top of the bacon. I put this pan on top of there. You can see the water here isn't hot, but I'm sure the pan is. So if you do this to kind of press everything down and kind of compact it, remember this glass is going to be hot. And that way we got that. And you can see here, I let this cook low and slow for like 10 minutes. And that's what you're wanting to do, is you're wanting to have it low and slow and have everything really stick together. Here, before I flip this, as you can see there, I got them real compact to get together. And what I'm going to do now, put you back. Now, I've only ever done this a few times, so you just gotta, that's why I got the big old spatula. Gotta get up under them and flip them over. I think pressing them down worked really good, because those flipped over very beautifully this time. First time I did it was kind of rough, but then you can take any old cheese here you got, and I like to just line it with cheese. Just put every little space there with cheese, because we're gonna let this side cook for another probably 5 to 6 minutes. So you got 10 minutes on one side, 5 to 6 in the other. And then once we let these cool, then they become great little taco shells. So there's no need for tortillas, and they taste better. Once we got all that cheese on there, you go ahead and let that cheese cook, let it melt, be it my glue, and then after that we got all this wonderful bacon grease to go ahead and cook the eggs in, and then we'll have our little taco shells. But I'll bring you right back as soon as this is done cooking. Now that I gave these each, I gave them a little bit more actually than 5 minutes. I gave them probably about 6 or 7 minutes. What you're going to do is you're going to take your spatula here, and so you want to pick it up, and it looks just like that. And with that weave and the cheese especially being the glue, now I got one kind of stuck. There we go. You see, that's what they look like. You got this nice bacon grease left in here. With this cheese, that cheese is definitely fried. That'll be good. But see, you got these nice weaved bacon pieces together, and then you let it cool for about 5-10 minutes, and it's gonna make a kind of a little bit of a foldable taco shell. Be able to fold it in half. So because we got that, we got this nice bacon grease in here. What I'm just gonna do is, you can just take. I'm gonna take probably like 4 eggs. Cook it any way you like. I'm gonna put about 2 eggs per taco there, and you can put whatever else you want in there. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna scramble these up. That's just the way I like it. I'm gonna scramble these up with the bacon grease, and I'll be right back. These eggs sopped up that bacon grease. Go ahead and put this on there. Definitely did not make that even. Try to balance it out some. Let's go over there and let's do a taste test. Of course, I got my tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. But see, especially once you let the bacon tacos cool, so you can just kind of fold it in half and pick it up like this. It is a little messy, but it's also very tasty. That's so good. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I make plenty more breakfasts like this. Have a great day, and I'll see you next week.